Hey, hi, and hello all. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Okay, okay, guys. Actually, today it's an unboxing video. Finally, just now we are going to do an unbox one Wi-Fi camera. Actually, it's a CP plus CP T3T CP plus CP T31A camera. Actually, model is. And actually, it is a 3MP camera, guys. It supports Wi-Fi also. It's a security camera only with one channel. And okay guys, finally I purchased this product from Flipkart actually at rupees cost of around 1330 including some discounts. And okay, if you're having any Flipkart access card or SBI Flipkart card means you will get some 5% cashback also with the discount. Okay guys, let's come on. Just first we need to remove the steps, and we'll do an unbox first, and later we will discuss regarding these camera features later after this unboxing. Actually, let's come on. Just now it's time to do unbox. Okay, and you have removed the steps. Come on, it's came. Here you can see, here's the CP plus camera. Actually, it's just kind of a bulb type camera, guys. We need to fit this camera using that bulb holder only. Actually, you can see, here's the Wi-Fi home camera. And okay, and here you can see it works with Alexa and Google Home also. And this is easy compliance. I think it's a app which we can control this camera using that app, and that's good. And here you can see here all the list of features they are printed. It's a 3MP camera, guys, for wide video, and there's a human detection support is also there. Abnormal sound detection is also there, like detects abnormal and unusual sound to send real-time alerts. Okay, sound detection is also there if there is any abnormal things were happening means, and motion tracking support is also there. And one VF protocol is also supports, but provides cross compatibility with third-party recorder software. Okay, and privacy mode is also there. You can block the camera view and recording to maintain privacy. That's a good thing. And okay, these all the things were there actually in this. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, let's come on. Now it's time to do an unboxing of this camera. Actually, let's come on. It's now time to remove this cover first. These all things were there, and not only that, guys, actually it's a good thing. What means just we don't need to do a wall mount. Actually, wall mount is it's not necessary for this. Just you need a bulb holder only. That's good. Let's get this out first. And here you can see it's the camera, and then now take this camera out first. Let's see what's the camera actually. Inside there is one box, and there is nothing, guys, inside this box. Just keep this aside. Okay, just take this out. Okay, you can see here's the camera, guys. Okay, actually I need to take this in reverse direction, it seems. Okay, sorry guys, actually I need to open it here. Okay, and here you can see here's the operation guide they have given for this camera. Actually, it's a good thing. Okay, that's good. You can see here is the cam plus. Just need to control this camera using that only. And okay, let's come on. This take this out first. Yeah, it's good. There's nothing inside this. Okay, here you can see, guys, here's the camera. Just take this out. Actually it looks very good, guys. Actually, you can see with that holder itself they are providing. Actually, you can see here's the type. Just we need to fix this here, and then we need to keep it in bulb holder, guys. Actually, it's a good, actually it's a good thing. CP plus, just okay, I'm removing this tape, you can see. And here you can see, guys, here we need to insert a memory card, it seems. Yes, there's a memory card, and reset button is here. Actually, this we need to open it out. You can see here's the memory card, and reset button is also both were here. Actually, that's good. Okay, I need to close this out first. Okay, it's got closed. Okay, and okay, it's good. Here's the camera, guys, the CP plus camera. Actually, what means in Flipkart description, actually they mentioned like 2 years warranty, and it's a domestic only, and audio support is also there, guys. Two-way audio support is also there. Not only that, and the video recording resolution is 1296p resolution, which it gets supporting at 20 frames per channel, actually supporting. And not only that, there's a IP65 rating is also there with the durability rating. Actually, it's a, that's it. Other than that, the angle view is 109 degree. Actually, the angle view of this camera seems they mentioned, but I have not yet tested anything. Just we need to test later. And that's it. The weight is also 268.5 gram. They have mentioned this camera weight is. Other than that, it supports Google Assistant and Alexa, guys. And there's a memory card support is also there, plus cloud storage option is also there in Easy Cam Plus app, it seems. Okay, that's it. And okay, guys, it's just an unboxing video only. Later and after this unboxing video, just I will publish a complete setup video, overall setup video, and let's see how was the clarity and all of this camera in next video. I am saying, actually, because unboxing video itself, it's gone beyond 7 minutes, it's going solely. Okay, in next video, just I will show you the entire setup of this camera, and let's view the camera. How was the clarity of this camera? We can check in the next video of the setup video, actually. Okay, that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching this video, guys. And guys, one thing I forgot to tell, that the prices I have purchased this at cost of around 1,336 rupees, including some discounts. I hope I have already told, I think. Okay, anyway, just I'm repeating once again. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.